Okay, hey guys, I've got a quick review video here on the Roccat Isku illuminated gaming keyboard, or Isku. Okay, it's a Roccat, as you can see. Right, so the first thing that you will spot is that it's luminous, okay? And I'm just going to go through from bottom to the top on the keys, okay? So first of all, you got because it's a gaming keyboard, you've got these player icons here. T1, press T1, it shows here, it goes back to the first. T3, it moves up one by one, watch. And now if you press T1, it moves back, which is handy. And obviously you got all the Control Alt and Delete up there. You got the Alt GR and another menu button, we shall call it. On the left hand side you have got the M's from M1 to M5, which I do not have a clue what they do, and obviously you've got your little number pad over here which you can use. Okay, here you have a button. That button controls what you want, how luminous you want these keys. Goes down from 6, has 6 functions, okay? 1, hardly see. 2, hardly see. 3, hardly see. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you won't be able to see that so good because of the light on the thing, but I'm trying to cover the flash. There we go, as you can see. Lights up pretty well. You also have a record button here, which you can record the screen. And if you've downloaded any movies, here are some buttons. Right, you've got the button here. Press that to get out of the screen. Got www dot here, which opens a new tab. Okay, you've got fast forward, rewind, pause, play, take the volume up, take the volume down, and the mute button. So yeah, it's pretty handy. Here, which I haven't seen before on any other computer than the keyboard, you have a scroll button which takes you down to the bottom. And so that's basically, and a brake button which I don't know what to do with. So basically that's all, I fell over. That's all the stuff you need to know. Like all the important stuff that works on this keyboard. Let me know if you know any more about this, and I'll put a link in the description of where you can find this keyboard. Thank you. Goodbye.